If you're shopping for a BMW right now, there's one question that matters more than horsepower, more than badges, and even more than price. And that question is this: should you trust the B48, or is the B58 still the safer bet in 2026? Because while BMW fans love to argue about 4-cylinder versus 6-cylinder performance, owners and mechanics are seeing a very different story play out behind the scenes. Real failure reports, injector problems, timing issues, and repair bills that are shocking people who thought modern BMW engines were finally reliable. Today, we're breaking down what's actually happening with both engines, what owners are reporting in 2024 and 2025, and which one is quietly becoming the smarter long-term choice. The B48 and B58 power almost everything BMW sells today, from entry-level sedans to performance models, SUVs, and even some Toyota collaborations. That means if something goes wrong with these engines, it doesn't affect a small niche. It affects millions of drivers. BMW markets both engines as modern, efficient, and durable, but reliability isn't decided by marketing. It's decided by real-world mileage, heat cycles, oil breakdown, and how these engines age after the warranty ends. And that's where the gap between the B48 and B58 is starting to show. The BMW B48 is a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder designed for efficiency and wide usage. You'll find it in cars like the 3 Series, 5 Series, X1, X3, X4, Mini models, and even some Toyota applications. On paper, it's impressive: good power, solid fuel economy, and lower upfront cost. But packing high boost pressure, direct injection, and emissions equipment into a small engine also creates stress. And as these engines rack up mileage, owners are starting to notice that stress turning into real problems. In 2024 and 2025, the most common B48 complaints revolve around injector failures, timing chain noise, misfires under load, and oil consumption that BMW often labels as normal. High-pressure fuel injectors are failing earlier than expected, sometimes before 60,000 miles, and replacement costs can shock owners who assumed 4-cylinder engines would be cheaper to maintain. Timing components are another growing concern, especially on higher mileage cars driven hard or stuck in city traffic. Individually, these problems may not sound catastrophic, but together, they paint a picture of an engine that becomes expensive very quickly once the warranty ends. Now let's talk about the B58, BMW's turbocharged inline 6 that enthusiasts often call one of the best engines BMW has ever built. Used in cars like the 340i, 540i, X5, Supra, and many M performance models, the B58 was designed with more headroom, more cylinders, stronger internals, better cooling, and a smoother power delivery. And while it makes more power, what really matters is how relaxed the engine feels doing it. That design difference plays a massive role in long-term reliability. Compared to the B48, the B58 has shown fewer widespread failure patterns. Yes, it still has issues: coolant expansion tanks, oil filter housing leaks, and occasional coil or injector failures. But these problems tend to appear later and are more predictable. Many B58 engines are comfortably crossing 100,000 miles with routine maintenance, something that can't always be said for heavily stressed B48 setups. Mechanics consistently report that the B58 tolerates heat, boost, and aggressive driving far better over time. Here's where things get interesting. On paper, the B48 should be cheaper to own, fewer cylinders, less oil, better fuel economy. But in the real world, injector replacements, timing concerns, and repeated sensor failures are eating into that advantage. Meanwhile, B58 owners often face higher upfront costs, but fewer major surprises after 70,000 or 80,000 miles. When you factor in resale value, repair frequency, and long-term peace of mind, the 6-cylinder starts looking less expensive than many expected. BMW engineered the B48 to meet strict emissions standards while delivering strong performance from a small package. That means higher boost pressures, tighter tolerances, and less margin for neglect. The B58, on the other hand, benefits from natural balance and lower stress per cylinder. It's not just about how powerful the engine is, it's about how hard it has to work every single day. and engines that work harder tend to age faster. So if you're choosing today, which engine actually makes more sense? If you plan to lease, trade in early, or stay strictly under warranty, the B48 can still be a solid option. But if you're buying used, keeping the car long-term, or planning to cross 100,000 miles, the B58 is clearly the safer bet. Its reliability record, smoother operation, and lower rate of serious failures give it a real advantage in 2025. BMW has come a long way in reliability, but not all modern engines age the same. The B48 shows how efficiency-focused engineering can create hidden long-term costs, while the B58 proves that giving an engine breathing room still matters. And as more owners report real-world issues, the gap between these two engines is becoming impossible to ignore. If you're considering a BMW right now, or already own one of these engines, this comparison could save you thousands of dollars and a lot of frustration down the road. Reliability isn't about fanboy opinions, it's about patterns, data, and what happens after the honeymoon phase ends. If you found this breakdown useful, make sure you subscribe, because we're tracking real owner reports, recalls, and failures across BMW, Toyota, Honda, Nissan, and more. And in the next video, we're digging into why some fixed engines are still quietly failing years later, something every buyer needs to understand before signing the paperwork.